guys, welcome back to my channel. And I've been getting a lot of scolding messages from my friends that I have not been uploading a video. It has been my sheer laziness. I know every video I say this, but today I'm going to make a video that is very special, and that is for basically creating an awareness about a lot of things, and it is also going to have a part of my journey that I'm going to share with you. So let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, I would really request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So now getting into the video, what I'm going to talk about is, I used to consider it as a taboo topic. I have not spoken about it very openly to a lot of people, and I regret not having spoken openly about it. I'm going to talk about menstruation, periods. So this is something every woman gets after she attains puberty, and every woman faces their own set of problems during their menstrual cycles. I was very quiet about it in the initial part of my experience with menstruation, and it took me a lot of years to open up and speak about it, and the first person I spoke about it to was my sister. What I'm going to speak to you today about is that initially I used to use sanitary napkins like everybody uses. It is a very common thing all over the world, not just our country. So I began with using sanitary napkins, and if whoever knows me personally or has spoken to me, you all must be knowing that I have polio in my leg, and I walk with a brace, a caliper, and I have a walker. And ever since I have had my menstrual cycles, I have always been struggling during my periods about staining, about leakage, about my flow, about using washrooms. I have not even been comfortable using washrooms, and my period story has always been a horrific journey for me. I tried initially, I did not know about too many options, so I used to use the normal Whisper sanitary napkin. Then I switched to an eco-friendly option called Heyday. I will be linking their link in the description below. If anybody wants to switch to an eco-friendly or an environment-friendly sanitary napkin, they can certainly go to the website. The Heyday napkins are also available on Amazon. Then again, sanitary napkins was really not helping me with the staining. It was not helping me with the leakage. I walk with a limp, so again it was not at all helping me when I used to walk with a limp. It was very uncomfortable for me. So I tried using the menstrual cup. Now the problem with menstrual cups is that it needs a proper sterilization process. Apart from that, you need to get used to the concept. If you can't get used to it, it is difficult. So when I used it, I developed very severe cramps in my stomach after using the menstrual cup. And after like 3 hours usage itself, I stopped because I really couldn't handle it anymore, and I had to go back to using the sanitary napkin. And yes, menstrual cups do not give you leakage, and if you're used to it, it is a great option. But then again, you need to be used to it. After that, I came across a particular product and I started researching about it. The product that I came across is called period panties. Now, the thing about period panties is that if you Google period panties, there are a lot of panties which have extra layers, and what they mean is there are two types of it. One is to avoid leakage, so they are basically layered panties in which you have to use a napkin, and then again it is just layered, so you still have to use a napkin. Whereas there is a second option of period panties where you don't have to use a sanitary napkin at all. So you don't use any cup, you don't use any sanitary napkins, you don't use anything, and you use the panties alone. You only wear that and you go through the day. I know the concept sounds very weird and very gross for a lot of people, but I must say I want to share my experience with the period panties. So here are my period panties that I got. First and foremost, I love the color because our brain is tuned to staining. So what happens is any other color except for black makes you keep thinking and worrying about the stain. So I love the color black. So this is from a company called Health Fab. I'll put the link in the description. And this has got a couple of layers inside it. And another YouTuber has cut down the panties and shown the layers, in which there is one velvet layer and then there is one silicone kind of a layer. So when I wore this initially, the first time I wore it, I was like carrying an extra bed sheet along with me, a towel, a bed sheet, and wherever I would sit, I would put that because the concept of only panties with no pads was not very easy to set in. But then what happened is I realized that I had worn it for more than 5 to 6 hours and there was literally no staining or no leakage anywhere. 5 hours gone, I had to use the washroom. I was wondering how I would face going to the washroom because again, your blood is right here inside it, and we have so much of inhibition about our period blood that it is, you make up stories in your mind about it. So I went to use the washroom. A few things that I would really like to describe and say over here is one, there was no smell at all. Even when I use a sanitary napkin, I have never had completely no smell. But this is the first ever time there was no smell at all of the blood when I went to the washroom. Second, I thought that when I would have to reuse it, like after using the washroom, it would end up being gross, sticky, wet. It was not at all wet, to the extent that I tried to pinch a bit of the cloth and I had nothing on my hands. So it was completely dry. It had nothing gross in it. It had nothing smelly in it. And very comfortably I could use the washroom and come back and continue using the same panties for the next 5 hours. So I use this panties for 10 hours. It is actually, you can use it for 12 hours depending on your flow. But since it was the first time I was using it, I opted for using it for 10 hours. Now, after 10 hours came the second main worry. That is, how do I wash it or how do I cleanse it? Because the concept of menstrual blood is not very, we all have inhibitions about menstrual blood. So if people who are using the cup might not have it as much as people using the pad, and there are pad users much more in our country. So basically, if you're using the cup, you're very more okay with the concept of your menstrual blood. So what happened is I had used these. When I removed them, there was nothing. It was like a normal set of panties. All I did is kept it under a running tap, normal water running tap, and you will not believe it, but nothing gross came out of this. It was no smell when the water was running through it. There was nothing gross that was coming out of it. It was just like your normal, if your normal panties get stained and you wash the stain from your panties, that is how it was getting washed on its own. I just kept it for like 3 or 4 minutes maximum, and then I put some liquid soap and I just rinsed it the way you wash your normal panties, and I put it to dry. It takes a little longer because of the material being very thick, but it was like all set and ready for my next usage. Now, why I'm speaking so much about period panties now is, this is the first ever time I have got relieved in my head that I can just wear something during my menstruation and go out. I don't have to worry about washrooms, local washrooms. I don't have to worry about pad disposals. I don't have to worry about carrying a sanitary kit every time I go out. I don't need to worry about me wearing any kind of clothes. I can wear any kind of clothes with this. And me having a limb, my caliper is extremely comfortable when I wear this. So this material outside is like basically spandex and cotton, very much cotton. So it does not give you a rash or it does not give you anything. It is just like a normal cotton material that you would use. So my concern of staining was completely gone. I really want to share this further, that for my differently abled friends, we all face a struggle when it comes to our menstruation. And we all don't know what to do, and we all don't know whom to speak to about it, because these things are supposed to be just there in your system. So here I want to really call out to them and tell that please at least try this once, because I know how it is, I know the struggle, and I can vouch that this can be a little bit better for you all than you're using your sanitary napkins. Its other benefits of it being eco-friendly and it being utility friendly is all different. But for differently abled people like me, this is a boon. Secondly, also highlighting that please speak about your menstrual problems. Speak in your family about menstruation. Speak to your husband, speak to your partner, speak to your father, speak to your sister, speak to somebody, because you never know who can help you with your menstrual problems. It is not a taboo. It was for me. I broke out of it. this is a very big boon for girls who start menstruating, because again they don't know how far to go with a pad. They get confused. They're all little girls. They're just learning. So for them again, this is a benefit. This is a boon. If they have to go to school full day, they can stay in this for a full day, and there'll be nothing. They can go play sports. I have encouraged my niece to start using it so she can use it for her sports days, and there'll be no worry of staining or leakage. Now coming to the flaws, I would not say flaws, this is a little expensive, but I feel that if you compare it to all the number of pads, you compare it to all the struggle, you compare it to all the pain that you go through, then I think it is worth spending the money. So what I would like to say is these panties are available on Amazon. They are available for 1,150 rupees, but they are on limited sizes. Instead, if you go to their website of HealthFab, I'll be putting it again in the description, you get discounted offers. I bought it for $9.99 because they had a Valentine's sale, and you get more size options if you go to their website. Also, they have a dedicated WhatsApp number, so you can message to them, and they're very quick at responding to your messages. So they will respond to you, and you can go ahead and ask them any queries that you have. Another thing is that yes, one important instruction that you will get along with the panties is that you need to be always dry. What I did is I bought a tissue roll for myself, and basic drying is enough. You don't need to dry yourself completely dry. Only there shouldn't be water droplets around. Another thing, the construction of these panties is such that your pad fabric is from this end till this end. So I think even if you can afford to buy one, this makes a very good night panties, so where you can just wear it and sleep and not worry about the stains at all. After using this one, I have ordered for another 2 of it, so I can circulate and completely stop using the pads and just stick to this for itself, because this is the first ever product that I got, which has been a boon. I cannot explain how happy I got after using this, and how stress free and tension free I was in tears. I know it is too much, but I know at the same time that women who will relate to me, who have the struggles of staining and limping and not able to find the right washrooms and everything. So this is my video about my journey of menstruation, and it being Women's Day, I would really like to wish you all a happy Women's Day and encourage you all to speak about menstruation openly, so there is no inhibition left about it with our coming generation. Menstruation is a very, very, very normal thing. Every single girl, woman goes through it, and it is a part of our life, and it is really high time that we all accept it and discuss it and share our problems, because only when you share your problems, you never know, some company might come up with a solution for it, and you will have something that is like mine, which is like customized and good enough for you to use it. This is not at all a paid promotion. I have spent my money and bought it. I am not such a big YouTuber that I get like paid merchandise, but this is something I really wanted to highlight, and I really wanted to speak about and share it with as many women as I can, that please go ahead, buy at least one of this. It is really, really, really worth your money. So that's about it from me. I know you all are missing Arvind in this video, and I really wanted him to be a part of this. He's busy, not that he feels anything, but he's a little busy with his work, so he couldn't be. But I might put a small video of his on Instagram. So whoever is following me on Instagram or following him on Instagram, you will find it, because he also is a strong believer of discussing menstruation, and I have spoken every bit about it to him, and he feels it is not something that we need to hide or shy away from. So that's about it from me. Happy Women's Day, and accept yourself, accept your life, and everything will be beautiful and perfect. That's about it from me. Bye.